Hello viewers, welcome back to my another video. In today's video, I will show you how to hide photos or videos on iPhone. Many people are not able to hide photos or videos due to the new update of iPhone. Before the iOS 16 update, the system for hiding photos or videos was different. I am showing you a little for your convenience. First, we open the Photos app. Select the photo or video you want to hide. I am selecting a photo. Then click on the share icon. After clicking, we used to see below that our hide option would show. But now that hide option is not showing anymore. The option to hide photos or videos has changed a little after the iOS 16 update. Now let's see how we can hide photos or videos in the new update version. First, go to the Photos app. Select the photo or video that you want to hide. After selecting, we can see an option of 3 dots on the bottom right side. Click on the 3 dots. Here we can see the hide option. Click on hide option. Then click on hide photo. Our photos are hidden. So, this was today's video. Hope you enjoy and like the video. If you like the video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and share with your friends. And subscribe to our YouTube channel Apple Info to get new iPhone videos like this. Thanks for watching.